Should you invest ahead of the elections or wait for the elections to play out? Listen to this video by Vidya Bala, our head of mutual fund research, on what you should be doing.
Hello everybody. It's a time-tested fact that equity funds deliver well over a 5-year time frame. But did you know that there could be some 5-year time frames where they deliver even better? Yes, you're talking about the period ahead of elections. Let's explain this with some data. For example, if you take the last 10 years, had you invested in any 5-year time frame in any multi-cap fund, the average returns that you would have got in these funds would have been about 14%. However, if you had chosen your investment, say 5 to 6 months ahead of elections, say ahead of elections in 2009 or 2014, you would have got an even better 17%. That's about 3 percentage points higher. If you take the mid-cap space, it gets even better. The average returns over this 5-year time frame would have been 16%. Had you again invested ahead of the elections and held for 5 years, it would have been 22%. So this basically establishes that investing ahead of elections can reap you better benefits. So the data that I just quoted establishes that investing ahead of elections gets you better returns. But where do you invest? So we looked at it and we considered the present market condition, the correction that has happened in 2018, along with the pre-election volatility, and decided to choose a few funds. Those funds have the following characteristics. We chose one index fund that acts like an incubator for stocks that get into the top 50. Now this index can be quite aggressive, but it has also delivered well and actually helps you average in a market volatility. The other fund is a contrarian fund, which will pick stocks that are beaten down, that are not favored by the markets. Now that kind of investing can really help in this kind of present market volatility. The third fund is a small cap fund. It is aggressive enough, but since the small cap space is corrected, there are a number of stocks, good quality stocks that are there with modest valuations. This fund will invest in such stocks. Now I'm not going to reveal the entire set of funds for you. If you want access to these funds and know more about them, please contact your advisor. You can also write to advisor@fundsindia.com. Few points here. Now you can invest in lump sum because data suggests that investing ahead of election helps. But if you want to capture the volatility, continue with SIPs at least 6 months from here. Also note that these are all equity funds. So if you want to have an asset allocated portfolio, make sure that you have sufficient debt allocation too. Happy investing!